stage now where I'm just going to show you how you can sort of do some homemade solder sleeves if you haven't got any of the pre-made ones available. Very simple method. What you're looking for, I've just found a sort of watchmaker screwdriver. You're looking for some slight movement around the outside of the tool you're going to use to wrap the solder, just so the solder, when it's sort of wrapped, it's still going to fit snugly into the sleeving. So for this one, I'm just going to do 3 or 4 turns, keep them quite tight. Just trim the leads off. Just pull it off the screwdriver now and trim the other side. So just get that one trimmed up. And the best way to do this, just pop it down on the desk or whatever surface you got. And just push it in basically. And you can just sort of work it into the middle. And there you have it. You've got a nice fillet of sort of bead of solder, a few sort of turns in the inside, and that's going to sort of do you a good job. So I'm going to do a demonstration later how these work. Hopefully you can see sort of how useful they are. So if you haven't got any pre-made ones, these could help you out in the future. So I'll move on to the next stage and say I'll do a demonstration on this one later. So we finally move on now to the homemade sleeves, and see how this one shrinks down. So as you can see, I've got me wrap round solder in the middle. It's a little bit sort of blurry this because you've got to look through the sleeving. So let's see how this goes. Now depending what solder you put in the middle, you just have to experiment with the heat you need. I've got silver foil sort of put behind it, like my heat gun hasn't got a deflector, so that should sort of bounce the heat back, enable it to sort of melt quicker. So let's see how this goes. I've got the ends done, just concentrate on the solder in the middle. You should see it sort of flow along. I can see it already going. And quite a good result. There you go, you've got solder going right along the joint. And that's what you're looking for. So it's that easy. So basically it's a really good method, the homemade ones. So if you're ever stuck and you haven't got any of the pre-made ones, easy make your own like I showed you earlier, and it should be good to go. So anyway, that wraps these videos up for this one. So what I'll do, I'll put a few more pictures up, and hopefully join me in the future when I do some more. So thanks a lot for your time, and good luck with all your projects. I'll see you soon. Thank you.